invented, can you?
It's like 18,
Pretty sure
it's
that's
like 40 something.
the opposite way.
It's good, thank you.
Oh God.
I hung out with an old friend the other day. I kind of just visit with him and spend some time with him. You know how like elderly people love to spend time with young people. So there's an old friend, so he's like 65, and I only met him like 3 days ago.
Your mom's in one episode and your dad.
My parents are really embarrassing, so I try to keep them out of my videos.
What's up, Raw Clan? It's Rory Galeto, and I'm back on the scene with another YouTube video.
My nigga.
And today we got something new. You already know I'm straight bringing new content to the table. Every time I pop up on the screen, like I told y'all, I cannot keep coming with the same type of content. And if y'all not gonna help me, I gotta do it on my own. But anyway, get in the comments and let me know what's up. But today we got Vlog Creations bringing a microwave in the theater for popcorn because it's cheaper. I guess. But you already know, before I go ahead and get into the video, leave your boy the support, the love, especially hit that like button. Hit that like button, it helps my channel tremendously. It helps people take notice of my channel, and it brings my channel to other people's attention. So please support your boy with the subscribe, the likes, the comment, all that good ish. And let's go ahead and dive into the video.
We're here at Dick's because we're gonna get Cole shoes because he can buy shoes, but he just neglects to. He just doesn't want to spend money on shoes.
I really want to sell
He totally
my
can,
house,
he just refuses to. He's like, oh, I'll make do with just bare feet.
So I can go buy shoes.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. I know you can, but you just don't. So any shoe that you want in the kids section. He's wearing boots with the sweatbands. I don't know why it makes me laugh so much. You guys have these in 11.5?
I should have one left.
One left. Well, I
Do
need
you
to
guys-
write too.
We need one left and one. Wait. No, I need a right as well. Okay, let's try them on. What a good try on bench. Go a little walk around.
What are they doing?
Don't kid yourself, you never run. Do you want this?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, let's go. Oh, USA, dude, that's Cole all the way. All right, let's go. Shopping with guys, you're freaking in and out in 2 seconds. I remember shopping with my mom when I was a kid and like just hating my life. And then I'd like lay on the floor because I'm like tired of walking around for 6 hours.
We all
and she's
did.
like, I love you, Mom.
You're running off like this. You hurt Blanche's feelings.
Her feelings. 2 minutes time to visit with him.
How did he get all that in there?
Where's Jimmy?
And it's not cheap. He brought a whole and it's so fucking loud.
You brought us all the way out here for the sake of poor Uncle Bill.
Yeah, you weren't invited.
Oh my God.
Somewhere. Well, he knows how to walk.
Well, hell, I'm probably gonna learn how to.
That gotta be the most awkward shit ever, bruh. And then he trying to take it out all quiet and shit after he just turned that loud ass microwave on.
You know,
It's my cameraman Dustin's birthday. This is his house. He built like a freaking whole skate park in the back. So he's having a party and invited us out. I'm gonna be the live music tonight.
Hey. Okay, he got skills on it. Bruh, they having hella fun.
That's the best zip line because there's no straps. You just hold on. No, ma'am. No thanks. No thanks. I don't want to sign up for anything.
Do you want a gift receipt?
No, I don't want anything except for the clothes. No thank you. 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 I know you have to. I understand. You should put little ornaments on you. You look like a Christmas tree. And put a little angel on your head. It's cute. I like your outfit.
You get a decent exposure if you take the clothes off, right?
Huh? No, you have to be naked for that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you would know.
Hi, Christmas tree. No question, the next time I see Cole within a week, the shoes will be completely muddy and dirty.
Oh yeah.
He had pasties on, so you can't see like his nipples when he's walking.
Okay, dapper the fuck down.
Keep it warm.
What? We don't have that.
Why? Why?
Okay, good.
Keep it warm for me, would you?
Are you serious?
No way.
No, get out of here. Is he getting in it? Oh, he gives it to him play.
I most definitely.
There's a guy with a red Ferrari that just gave me the keys.
What the heck?
You know the guy that did this?
Man, I was just messing with you.
She just had to walk up the
Have a
fucking
good
hate.
one,
Make no damn sense.
How you doing?
All right, keep it warm.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Here you go. Keep it warm.
They is hella bold. Close the man door.
You gonna part? You gonna get it?
You thought you gonna part? You gonna get it?
The year that Coca-Cola was invented, can you?
Like 18,
Pretty sure that's
40 something.
the opposite way.
Good, thank you.
Oh god.
I hung out with an old friend the other day. I kind of just visit with him and spend some time with him. You know how like elderly people love
Who
to
the
spend time with
fuck
young people.
gets
So
in a
there's an old
group
friend, so he's like
session to
65,
smoke
and
a
I only met him like
cigar?
3 days ago.
Your mom's in one episode and your dad.
My
Yuck.
parents are really embarrassing, so I try to keep them out of my videos.
They're not. They're so not.
Yeah, because my parents are my example.
Oh,
I can't just
never
like
mind.
date
Look
someone
at
and
that
give up
picture
so
up there.
easily.
They know
Like
the
there's got to be a
business.
real strong reason. Cole's on the phone.
Hey, Cole.
That hoe clean as clean in a motherfucker. Ain't it, bro?
We're coming, buddy.
Dude, you're right. That was awesome.
Right?
Holy cow. Wow.
There's nothing like here, dude. My turn. Here, you go in there.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dude, that was awesome. That was awesome.
Hey, JJ.
What?
Wait, hold on. Open it up.
Coming.
Can you hear me on the phone?
I didn't hear you.
But you're on mute, I think.
Yeah, you are on mute. You almost heard me. I'm like, hey, hey. I'm starting to freak out.
Wait.
Yeah, I was. I was yelling, hey, stop. That's enough. I feel better now that I was on mute. I thought y'all weren't listening to me. I'm like, what the
Come on, let's do it.
God, you know,
I really
you know that
did.
makes you miserable.
I'm like,
This
these
is what they're
kids are
doing
really
with their free
pranking
time.
me. Open up. Wait till you hear the mic on the lip. Hey,
It is not
stop,
that
hey.
funny.
Dude, stop.
JJ, Cole was on mute the whole time. So
I was going, hey, stop.
You have a mic on?
Yes, I was freaking out, dude.
Oh, that is perfect. Like that's why we had the phone so that he could tell us to stop if it was too crazy.
All right, here we go.
Fucking Nick.
Got a lot under this hood.
I have a really fun idea for us today. Here, Cole, you take this.
Yeah.
Trim these trees and lift them up. Isn't that cool?
Man, this is awesome. Thank you so much, dude.
It's crazy that like we get to wake up in the morning and do this. Most people got to go to work.
Get all the low stuff for this.
Yeah, and then the high stuff we'll use like
A regular chainsaw and get on a ladder.
Most people gotta go to work.
My turn. Stop. Come on, only hogging it all.
You'll both get a turn, okay? I gotta go play video games.
Can you imagine having to go play video
What a
games right
dork.
now?
You know, and I'm letting everybody use the saw and having fun with it. So if you guys just chip in some
Yeah, I
gas,
feel like we owe you.
gas money.
We'll at least do that. Say, that looks good, but you messed up on the heart.
That's not hard.
Now you can reach down lower.
Slower. Dude, look how low I can reach now.
perfect.
It just gets so hot in the van. We finally got some visors.
They are so fucking stupid.
That was actually scary.
I was like, oh my god.
Are we gonna be able to stop in time?
Oh,
I was actually scared.
good. I'm glad you were scared. Really good.
That truck is going fast behind me, so I had to do it. Let's see who can get to the red light the fastest.
Yeah.
I'll race to the red light.
Yeah.
Is this origami?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the shape of a little crumpled up $1 bill. You're so talented.
Oh, thank you.
It's origami. Oh, you don't want it?
No thanks, man. I'm watching my bank account.
No, watching your money isn't like watching your weight. When you watch your weight, you're not allowed to let it increase, but when you watch your money, you're supposed to make it increase. Oh, no thanks, I'm watching my bank account.
I don't know, I like to stay around 170. Any over that just isn't healthy. Dude, the metric system over there, it goes by pounds. Yeah.
You're supposed to have 8 sips of water a day, I think is what they say.
I can never drink that much water.
It's tough. Down, set, hike! Oh crap, interception! Do a double back tuck on the 3rd jump, okay?
All right, I didn't know that's what we were doing. I thought I was just...
I saw your undies. You're doing it! Toss the pogo.
Oh, hey, I'm open.
Oh my god.
We good?
Yeah. Oh,
I think we're good.
There's a tree. Hey, part.
I feel so safe when you drive.
You guys didn't hook it on. The freak. Yeah, it came off. Look, it's not on the ball. That means we drove it good.
This is a successful day.
You like massages?
Yeah. Do you?
No, I never liked them. I don't know, it just makes my hands cramp. And
Do you like massages?
no, personally, I don't. Yeah, it doesn't feel good. It doesn't do anything for me. It doesn't matter where I press. It just doesn't feel good for me.
Getting a massage means that you're the one being pressed on.
Yeah, my wife always makes me get massages, and my hands will get tired after a while, and then.
But does she ever do it to you?
Yeah, all the time. Just my hands get sore after a while.
Spiderweb. Your upstairs neighbors are skaters. Okay.
You found another one?
I'm scared. Trippy, dude. Trippy. To guide your path. Oh no, music. It's the death of us.
Oh, that's just the local band.
Oh, okay, we're good. Their music isn't good enough to be copyright.
I'm in your
So you want me to go fast? I'll just go like mediocre?
Medium.
Medium, yoke. Ready?
Sometimes I live in Louisiana. I mean, out of all my life living in Louisiana, I've never mud ridden before, ever. No, but they are so fucking funny. Do you see all the different shit they do? I don't even know if that was in one day. If that was in one day, what the fuck? They have literally too much free time on their hands. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this video, and you already know before you go ahead and dip, support your boy with a like, comment, and subscribe. Show love. Especially check out my other, check out my other videos on my channel because it's a litty. Stop sleeping on me. It's straight gang found clan shit over here. Royal Clan, what's up? Subscribe to be a part of the Royal Clan. Stop trying to live up to everybody else's expectation that they set for you to live by in your life. This is your life, your story, so therefore you write it.